Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. You guys, I have this super cute wig that I think will be perfect for summer. This unit does come from the company called Ashimary.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit or anything that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, check the description box down below where everything will be listed for you guys. But again, y'all, this unit comes from Ashimary. This is their Water Wave 5x5 lace closure 4C kinky curly edge unit. You guys can see it does feature that 5x5 inches of parting space, so it's temple to temple and 5 inches back. It also has their glueless cap with the adjustable straps, combed and elastic band on the inside, so you guys don't have to adhere it down. And this is how the unit comes straight out of the pack. Again, y'all, it does have that water wave texture. It is 24 inches long and 250% density. This is how it looked with no work done. You guys can wear this in a center part or a slight side part if you guys can get away with it. And it does have those curly edges. I'm not even going to call it a 4C kinky curly because I think they're just regular curls. I don't think they're anything kinky or 4C at all. But anyways, you guys, like I mentioned before, you guys can part this unit slightly on the side or in the center, but if not, you guys are going to get that closure on the side. But what I'm going to do first is wash this hair. I'm just going to use my silicone mix products and get this hair nice and clean. So now that the hair is nice and clean, we're just going to take a closer look at the hairline. You guys can see the hairline is pretty decent, but what I'm going to do is further customize it just a little bit so that it can look more natural to my liking. You guys don't have to do this, but I'm just going to tweeze a little bit of that hairline away so that it can look more like my natural hairline. So since I'm not going to adhere this unit down, I want to prepare my unit so that I can do somewhat of a wear and go type of style. I'm just going to take a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse and apply that to the hairline, as you guys can see here, because we really want to mold this into an easy throw on and go type style. I'm also going to take this elastic band and apply that to the edges and just allow it to dry. Again, this is going to make it easy for me to apply this without glue. For styling the hair, I'm just going to go for a simple wash and go. I like to make sure the hair is super wet, and then I like to take my The Do Mousse Def Mousse and apply that to the hair. This is really just going to define those curls. And once I apply enough of that mousse to the hair, I like to take this curl clumping defining brush and just go through the hair with the brush turned sideways. That way I can get good definition. And as you guys can see, I also like to pat the hair just so that those curls can clump. So now that the hair is fully defined, you guys can see the kind of curls that you can create. It's giving more of a wet and wavy look, and you guys can also see how that hairline looks. I'm going to allow the hair to dry overnight, and once the hair is dry, we're going to see how it looks. So now that I have the hair on, I will say that the fit is pretty snug. So if you do have a larger head, this is not big head friendly. But now what I'm going to do is go ahead and get that 5x5 lace cut off. That lace is too light. If you purchase this unit and you're having the same issue as I am, I definitely recommend taking this Eben lace tinted mousse and applying this to your hairline. Shout outs to Larasia. She used something like this in her video and I went looking all over for it and I found this one and it is a lifesaver. Now what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of concealer in that parting space just so that it looks pretty natural and blends in with my complexion. And y'all, this is what it's looking like. I am absolutely loving that lace tinted mousse. So now let's work on these edges, sis. Even though the company calls these 4C curly, I'm just going to call them regular curly because there's nothing 4C about these edges. But what I like to do is first go through those curls and just kind of loosen them up. Then I like to brush what I don't want back and then clip down those curls. Doing this will actually create a more natural look. Or you can take mousse or gel and create the baby hairs the way that you want to wear them. Sis, you can do whatever you like. Now I'm going to take my hot comb and just lay the front and the top of the wig. So now that the hair is fully installed, you guys can see just how easy that was and I didn't have to use any adhesives or gel. Look at those curls. These water wave curls are super cute, especially if you get the length that I have mine in. It's going to look super cute for the summer. And you guys can see just how those edges look. They're nice and curly and I didn't have to do much to it. Now again, the hair is 24 inches long. I am 5'8" and my torso is on the shorter side and that's where the hair falls on me. You guys can also see the density of this unit is pretty full. 250% will definitely give you this full natural flowy look, which I absolutely love. But what I'm going to do here is throw this hair in a couple of quick styles. Let me know how you plan on wearing this unit. Again, y'all, this unit does come from Ashimary hair. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. Are you gonna pick it up? Is it a yay or a nay? Let me know. I personally think it's perfect for the summer and it's one of the most easiest units I had to wear. Again, y'all, if you're interested in this unit, make sure you check the description box down below where everything will be linked. Let me know what you guys think of this one and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.